In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip and rotate elements in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or you're just dipping your toes into the world of graphic design, mastering these features can really help elevate your projects, making your design process in Canva much smoother and more intuitive. Let's start by focusing on flipping an element, which might just be the trick you need to add symmetry or a bit of dynamic flair to your design. First, you need to click on the element you want to adjust. This could be an image, a graphic, or any item you've added to your Canva project. Selecting it will activate the editing options. Once the element is selected, look towards the toolbar on the top of your Canva interface. You'll find a menu labeled Flip. Click on it to reveal the flipping options. This menu is straightforward but powerful, allowing you to modify your design quickly and easily. Next, you'll be presented with a couple of choices: flip horizontal and flip vertical. These options do exactly what they sound like. If you choose flip horizontal, your selected element will reverse along the horizontal axis. This is especially handy if you want to create a mirrored image, or if the direction of your graphic needs a change for better composition. It's interesting how just a simple flip can completely change the focal point of your design. On the other hand, selecting flip vertical will rotate your element along the vertical axis. This might be useful if you want to create a reflected look, such as an upside down version of your graphic, or if you're working on a design that requires elements to be in such an orientation. Flipping vertically not only creates an artistic effect, but it can also help in balancing elements in your layout. Now you might be wondering, when should I use these options? Well, flipping and rotating can be exceptionally useful when you're working with symmetrical designs, or when trying to achieve a particular aesthetic balance. It's also fantastic for when an image just doesn't quite fit, and reorienting it could provide the perfect solution. Remember, each time you flip an image or a graphic, it can sometimes affect the readability of the information or the intended message, especially if there's text involved. So, it's something to consider when designing promotional materials, infographics, or any document where clarity is crucial. With these simple steps, you can transform your designs and experiment with new and exciting compositions. Play around with the flip options and see how they can bring a fresh perspective to your work. This concludes our guide to flipping and rotating elements on Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and look forward to seeing how you apply these features in your own projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks.